Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the construction of the Ascent building. Now this building is to be a 26 or 27 floor building. I think it's 26. 27 floor building in New Kingston. Massive development. The land was acquired and it was this land in New Kingston is not cheap. The land was acquired, and then the project just seemed to stall. They got all the approvals, set on a start date, and nothing. And this is the actual site where that white building is straight ahead. The project would go to that building, and then these two buildings you're looking at would be demolished and be a part of the construction site. As you can see, both buildings have been stripped basically of everything of value because the buildings were bought and they were stripped to be demolished and you'd have as a part of the project. But very surprisingly, this project has not started, and based on the looks of things, it's not going to start. So they got all the necessary approvals, meaning the designs or the drawings were sent and approvals given for the 27th floor building. Now, if it was built on schedule, it would have been the tallest building in Jamaica, not only Kingston, but Jamaica. However, the pinnacle now stands at 28 floors and is the tallest building in Jamaica. And ironically, while this project could not even get off the ground from 2020, the pinnacle is now at 28 floors. They have topped out and they've reached 28 floors, and they are actually going to be building four towers at 28 floors. So I'm just assuming the reason why this project didn't start is they couldn't get the financing. Now, to build a building of this size, it's expensive. It's going to cost a few $1 billion. Now, I would estimate probably 2 billion to build this building based on the cost of other buildings. Now, to the right of this building is One Belmont, a 10th floor structure built fully leased out. So it's not a case of not getting tenants or people to occupy or rent the building because office space in New Kingston is at a premium. So it was just to get the financing to build the building, the structure. Because once built, it would definitely be rented. And the experience is here because, as we said, the Pinnacle is built at 28 floors, the Rogers at 20, One Belmont at 10 floors. So the experience is out there to build these buildings. At the end of the day, it just comes down to the financing to get the money to actually put up the structure and then recoup the building costs through rent over time. But for some reason, very surprising to that this building didn't get the financing. So we are going to give you more information on what they had proposed to do here. In the early 2020s, Jamaica witnessed the emergence of one of its most ambitious architectural projects, the Ascent at the Oxford, a proposed skyscraper in New Kingston intended to become the tallest building in the country. This development represents more than a tall structure. It embodies Jamaica's aspirations for economic growth, sustainable urbanization, and enhanced global standards. At its core, the Ascent is envisioned as a mixed-use tower combining residential, hotel, and commercial spaces. Situated on Oxford Road in St. Andrew, the building was originally designed to rise to 26 or 27 stories, surpassing the then tallest structure in Jamaica, the 17-story Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. The project scale reflects an ambition to cultivate vertical urban development in Kingston's commercial heart, accommodating luxury living, tourism amenities, and modern office space in one landmark location. The planning phase began with regulatory approvals in 2022 when the National Environmental and Planning Agency (NEPA) granted permission for construction under conditions relating to safety and technical requirements. The approved permit outlined that mixed-use residential units from one bedroom to penthouse, multiple office levels, and substantial parking spaces, indicating a high-density multifunctional design. At this stage, developers anticipated groundbreaking before the end of 2022 and even projected a completion timeline around 2024. However, the project's timeline did not proceed as initially planned. Although approval was granted, visible construction progress stalled, and by early 2023, observers noted the actual building work hadn't yet begun. This disappointment was compounded by wider developments in Jamaica's construction landscape. Other projects, such as the Pinnacle in Montego Bay, were advancing and poised to eclipse the Ascent's height once completed. Several factors help explain why the Ascent's construction timeline has been extended far beyond initial expectations. Large-scale mixed-use development projects require significant capital and investor confidence. In markets like Jamaica, where high-rise residential and commercial developments have historically been less common than in larger urban centers, attracting sufficient long-term financing and pre-sales can be challenging. So that's the end of the update. So I'm not sure if this project, well, there are many developers out there who would take this project over in a heartbeat. The location, New Kingston, the land is acquired already, and the office space would be rented. So I'm sure over time this project will start. I just think there might be different developers. All right, guys. But as of now, nothing is going on with the project. All right, guys. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. All right, guys. Have a good day.